Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Is it a good thing?
Fish, yeah.
How are you doing this shit?
Very nice fish.
In the middle of nowhere. Yeah, he's fighting you.
Yeah.
Oh my word. How big is this fish?
It's a big fish now.
Has he gone into the grass now?
No. Yeah.
Like, I need like Hey, you're coming away from me.
Yes, man. Yes, man. It's a nice fish.
Good stuff. Hey, out chatting.
Fucking don't know where we are, what we're doing.
But that's what we wanted. I was saying, like, if we could just get that surprise bite. Come on. Yeah. I didn't even know I was on. Two good ones there. Oh, other way. Hey, it's the same as your fish.
Yeah, looks around. There's a bite. Keeper.
It's an upgrade to that. That's good enough.
In midwinter, it's noisy like this.
Zaid fighting a fish sitting down. A small fish though.
Just having a lunch break, guys.
TVL Training is a registered software skills development provider with 30 years of experience, specializing in the training and licensing of lifting and earth-moving equipment operators. TVL Training also provide accredited safety and skills training. At TVL, we are passionate about developing people, increasing safety in the workplace, improving client productivity and compliancy. So please do not hesitate to contact TVL Training for any of your training requirements.
A lot of ice around this reed there.
Maybe that has been read.
try some with it. Not really. Oh, there. Just be a bigger.
Feels alright. Yeah, but that very close.
Is that a monster? Eh?
It's a good fish. Definitely our
Biggest of the day.
yeah.
That's a nice fish.
It's a nice one.
Come away and
Yes!
Oh, what a beauty!
Yes, what I've been wanting for.
It's about a 2 kilo.
Please tell me it was recording.
Yes.
Yes, finally I've got a little, and it's just creeping it, creeping it along this grass.
Well done, boy. Let me move this for you.
2.10. Nice. Hey, look at this.
Yeah, what a beauty.
Hey, look at this.
What a beauty.
Put the skeleton on there. Yes, please.
Well done, buddy. Thanks for bringing home the win, dude. That's
If we take
2.1 plus 1.1. That's 3.1. That's 4. That's over 4 kilo bag, eh?
Alright, you can see it's not touching at the bottom. Okay, 2.03 goes.
I feel like she's biting, but like that other one.
I thought that was yours, eh? Big one. Well done. You'll never fail that.
This area, the grass and stuff has been right, 5 point something meters.
It might not be as big as our other two, but it's fine.
Yeah, sorry guys, this is the next day and didn't make an outro on the drive. We were just so excited and chatting about it. It's just blew my mind and we were tired. But it was a great day for Team TVL, and we only really got probably just over 10 fish, a couple of small ones and the one big one, and then the two in the 1 kilo range that gave us a nice bag of 4 points. Whatever it was. So yeah, our day was great. So my biggest fish was caught on a Texas rig, the rage tail crawl. The color, the watermelon red. So that was what the big fish came off on right at the end, and then all the other fish I was catching on was on a wacky rig. One of ET's secrets, tilapia, the fat sticks, SS Plus, lots of salt, good baits. That was paired off on my Akumal RF spinning rod setup. Nice light tackle with 10-pound leader on 20-pound braid, and then the big fish came off my FX custom rods, which is my 7.3 heavy fast, my pitching rod, and I picked this up and put the a little, I think it's a 1/8 tungsten, lightweight, not too heavy, with the craw, and that got me the big mama that took the win for biggest bass and first place, Team TVL. So yeah, that was a lot of fun, and hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, please, that always helps, and thanks to all our sponsors. The sponsors that's on here have made it possible for us to be fishing all these comps, EBASS, in-house club comp, and whenever we can, we've got a gap and there's a comp happening at a dam we really enjoy fishing, we will go and join them, and it's all thanks to the sponsors. So big thumbs up to that, and then a last shout out to Bruce at Eliminator Hurricane Inc., who makes the Eliminator boats, for borrowing us this boat for that comp, as Zaid, my boat partner, sold these boats and we are busy building an Eliminator. So keep an eye out for that, coming soon. We'll be fishing with a new platform. Yeah, some awesome things coming for the future. Can't wait for that, it's going to be awesome. But Bruce, thanks for borrowing us this boat. It's a boat that was traded in for an Eliminator, and I think before they get rid of it and all that, they said we could use it for the comp. So that was awesome. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching all the way till the end, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.